Hi, welcome, amazing people. I'm Jenny. I am your heart healer, and I have a program that helps people work through heartache and work through issues that they're going through and helps people get through this recovery process. It's a major step in heart healing, and I'd love for you to get a peek at my course if you would like to sign up for free. There are free videos to help you on this process right now where you are in your recovery process. So sign up below and join my free program. This is your guide on heartbreak recovery. Start here, and you get 6 videos, and you get one a day, and they are to help you go through this heartbreak process. So let me know how you like the videos. Sign up below, there's a link, and I look forward to hearing your response. Have a blessed day.